Hello there, I'm your host, Sergeant Cluckster. You asked for a deep dive, and today we're going way beyond the headlines into the two biggest Canvas breaches in history, the 2019 Canva design heist and the massive 2026 education extortion. Buckle up. To understand these hacks, we have to meet the perpetrators. In 2019, a hacker group known as gnosticplayers was on a global spree, hitting over 45 companies and stealing over 1 billion credentials. On May 24, 2019, they hit Canva. They walked away with data for 139 million users, names, emails, and for 61 million people, their bcrypt password hashes. It was one of the largest thefts of the year. What made gnosticplayers different? Their media strategy. They didn't just hide, they tipped off journalists to mock the companies they hacked. They even claimed they downloaded everything before Canva shut them down. The nightmare wasn't over. In 2020, it was revealed that 4 million of those passwords had been decrypted and shared online. Canva had to force a global reset. The cost? Between $100 and $150 million. Now fast forward to 2026. A new group called shinyhunters, rumored to be successors to gnosticplayers, targeted a different kind of Canvas, the learning management system used by your school. It started on April 30th with mysterious service disruptions. By May 1st, Instructure, the parent company, confirmed a cybersecurity incident. The timing couldn't have been worse, right in the middle of finals season. Shinyhunters didn't just want data, they wanted a payout. They claimed to have stolen 3.65 terabytes from nearly 9,000 schools worldwide. We're talking 275 million records, including the Ivy League. On May 7th, they went public. They defaced Canvas login portals with a ransom message. Students trying to take exams were met with a hard deadline. Pay up by May 12th or everything gets leaked. The most sensitive part? Billions of private messages between students and teachers were exfiltrated. Personal details, academic info, everything was on the table in this massive extortion attempt. So, what's the common thread? Both hacks exploited vulnerabilities in APIs and OAuth tokens. Whether it's the design tool in 2019 or the school system in 2026, your digital keys are the primary target. We're seeing an evolution. Cybercrime has moved from simple data theft to aggressive extortion. They don't just steal your data, they attack the systems you depend on to force a settlement. What can you do? Use multi-factor authentication. It's not optional anymore. Use unique, complex passwords and consider a physical security key for your most important accounts. Don't be an easy target. From Sydney to Silicon Valley, the Canvas hacks have changed how we think about security. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and most importantly, stay safe in the digital world. I'm Sergeant Cluckster, and this has been a special investigative report. If you want more tech deep dives, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. Cluck you later.